Javaughn.
It's your girl Javaughn, and we are back with another video. This, you know what?
What?
Scared me a little bit. Okay guys, so as y'all can see by the thumbnail and this title of this video, we are going to be doing something that we've never done before, that I've always wanted to do, but yeah, we're doing it right now, guys. So what I said, don't hit. Okay, so guys, yes, like I said, we are going to be doing a video, an interesting video. So y'all might be wondering what we got this here for. The reason why we got this here for is because we're going to be doing a I pick, you choose video. Basically, he picked 5 items, I picked 5 items. We put it in this box here, and then, sorry guys if y'all hear the car noises and all that stuff.
We're in the garage.
We're in the garage. So I picked 5, he picked 5. I put one of my items in there for him, and he has an option of choosing it. So if he says yes to it, he has to take it. And if it's something that he has to eat, he has to eat it. If it's something that he has to wear, he has to put it on. And vice versa with me. If he says no, then he pass up. What you doing? Then he pass up on the item. It could be anything. It could be something that he really like, and he passed it up. And what is you doing? And he passed it up, and he don't take it. So yeah, guys, I'm nervous about this video. So the way
comment down below who you think gonna win. Who's gonna be chicken out?
He gonna chicken out.
Alright.
So the way we did, we both went to the same store, but we split up. So he went one way, I went one way. We got our things, and then we checked out in separate areas as well. And neither one of us know what we got. Honest to truth to God, neither one of us know what each other has in their bag. So this is gonna be very interesting. But yeah guys, without further ado, we're finna get straight into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video so that way y'all can be notified when we post any videos. Make sure y'all go and subscribe to my channel, Life with SyVon, as well. I'm going to be bringing y'all everything about me, and yeah,
All the link in the descriptions.
all the links are in the description box below. So yeah, let's get straight to the video. Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready.
That's 2 out of 3. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, you won.
Okay.
I won.
This one is called.
Last one.
Damn.
Ready?
Yeah. Perfect. Go.
So I mean, you gotta put the item in first. You know that, right? Cause y'all hear me cheating with paper, rock, scissors, stuff. You it.
Okay, so hold on, put this now.
So I'm gonna turn around and you pick whatever item you want to pick.
Alright,
and put it
turn
in.
around there, turn around there.
I'm already turned around. I'm not looking.
Alright guys. Hey, should us go crazy right now or should us wait?
Bro, wait.
We gonna wait.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be good at this. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be good at this.
We gonna wait. We gonna wait. We gonna start off slow. Alright guys.
You ready? I'm scared. I'm scared. Don't do that.
What?
You must stop. Yo, I don't freaking trust him, bro. I do not trust him. Oh my god. Stop.
Hey, stupid thing.
Stop. Yo, I'm scary. Ah. Stop, babe. Oh, that fly. Stop. Oh, that fly. Stop.
What?
Stop, Javaughn. Javaughn.
So you supposed to guess what it is or what?
I don't want it. I don't want it. No, I don't want it.
Huh?
No.
You mean we got this what it is?
I don't want it.
So we supposed to guess what it is or what?
Huh?
We supposed to guess what it is?
No. We just said if we want it or not. And if we do take it, then we got it.
You ain't even touch it.
I did touch it.
Okay, guess what it is then. Guess what it is then. Huh?
Stop. I'ma kick your ass. You get on my nerves. That stuff felt real. You annoying.
So that's one for me?
Hmm?
That's one for me or what?
No.
Let me know.
Turn around. Turn around. Put your,
What y'all begging me what's up for?
put your face in that corner. Alright, you took your thing out of there, right?
Yes.
Alright. Y'all, is he looking? Okay. Stop playing. Should I start late, y'all? Or should I start? Yeah. I'm a starlight. I'm a starlight.
I'm a stone, I'm a stone, I'm a stone. Dear Lord, Heavenly Father God.
It's hot, y'all. I'm sweating.
Whew. Is the lava dead or what?
Might be alive.
What you? Ain't nothing alive, cause she ain't. Why is she so heavy, bro? What is this? What's I'm supposed to do?
You say yes or no to it?
Can I smell my hand?
Huh?
Can I smell my hand? I know
You
some
just can't put it in
food.
your mouth.
Hell no. Why you got some dog food or something? Hell no. What's that? Hell no. What's that? Dog food?
You don't want it?
No.
You don't want it?
Where's this dog food, bro? What is that?
So you say yes or no to it?
No.
No. Okay, so I get a point for that.
Oh, you got a point?
Yeah. You got 1 point, I got 1 point. So go see what it is.
I know I ain't gonna like it. What the hell? Roti?
Ravioli.
Ravioli? Hell no. What is this, bro? You feeding me dog food, bro?
That's not dog food, babe. That's
You eat this
good.
stuff?
Yes. I used to eat this when I was a kid. I'm not gonna eat it now because he's gonna put his finger all in it.
One?
1-1, baby.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Baby.
Turn around, man.
I am turning around.
Turn all the way around. Guys, so I stepped it up a little notch, you know?
Okay, step it up a little
I
bit.
stepped it up a little notch.
Little notch.
Is it me? I stepped up a little notch, you know? Yeah, man.
Babe, don't play with me, bro.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, should I put my hand in here? Be honest with me. I smell it. It smells like piss.
No, you gotta touch the food now.
Yeah.
Look at her face.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
No.
No what?
I'm not eating
You
that.
didn't even touch it.
I didn't
You didn't even touch it.
Man, that feel.
You didn't even touch it. Come on, go all over and touch that thing, man. It ain't gonna bite. Maybe two.
Okay, yeah, I'll take it.
You take it?
I'll take it.
You supposed to eat it?
Yeah,
You know what it is?
maybe.
What is it?
Spam?
No.
Tuna?
Oh, you can take it.
Y'all, what this is, don't let me be. Yo, this feel thick.
Cause she thick.
It's spam!
Damn.
I knew it! Y'all spam. I knew it was spam. Y'all, but I don't eat it like this. I eat it cooked.
Damn, bro. Oh, so you gotta eat it. Oh, you gotta eat it.
Not
Yeah, you
all
said
of it.
yes. Oh, it doesn't matter. You say yes.
I'm not eating all of it.
It doesn't matter. You say yes.
It,
Eat that,
it,
eat that thing, man. Come on, man.
they smell it.
I can smell like corned beef. I can smell it.
Move.
Back that thing. Chew. Nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Nom. I mean, you still eating, so you up one, right?
Yeah, babe. It's got like a little, it's too salty. Yeah.
All right.
So 1-0.
1-0, yeah,
1-0. Okay.
That's all good.
It's all good.
Clap it up. It's all good. Clap it up.
Alright, check up. Don't we hate it? Turn around. Should we take it here? Yeah. Don't turn around. That's when we taking it. That's exactly what we taking it. Yeah. What you wanna do?
I ain't taking it.
You ain't taking it?
No, I ain't taking it.
You ain't gonna take it.
No, I
You
ain't
gonna
taking
pass on it?
I'm passing it.
You gonna pass on it?
Yeah, I'm passing it. Yeah.
Alright, take that.
I'm passing it. Thank God they passing this shit.
Yeah, I
What
want
is
him
this?
to get that.
What is this?
I don't
What is
know.
this?
Buffalo pickles. I ain't never tried it.
That's buffalo pickles, bro.
I ain't wanted him to try that.
I ain't gonna tell you it was some animal food.
Really?
Yeah. So is that one point for me or no?
Hmm?
Is that one point for me or no point?
Mm-mm.
No point? Shit, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Alright, your turn. I might even try those.
Hey, turn on the one. Turn on.
I am turning around, babe.
Alright, people. I stepped up a little bit now. Listen to me. I stepped it up a little bit. We gonna step it up a little bit. We gonna step it up a little bit. You feel me? Hey, don't look at me, bro.
Anyway, I want to you.
Stay right where you at, bro.
Hot.
Damn.
What you do?
Cover your nose.
Cover my nose.
Yeah, cover your nose.
That smells like outside.
Hmm? Cover your nose, bro. Yeah, get out over there.
You annoying. Hurry up.
You want over to your left?
Huh?
You want over to your left?
It's hot dump piss out here.
Alright.
Ready?
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Ready? Alright, come on, let's go. Let's run it up.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Run it up.
Here we go. Babe, what the? I don't trust you.
Shit, I didn't actually trust me.
What's in here?
I don't know. Why you trying to do what I do? She's trying to pick it up. She's trying to pick it up to see. Oh, stay in there. Why you stop, bro.
You stop. Shit.
You gotta touch it. Stop playing. You been touching the play. You think you cheat? That thing, man. God. On tour, man. No, where do? Oh.
Javaughn, what is this?
I don't know. Yeah, touch over that bad boy. Yeah. You better than that, no? Don't smell it. No.
Why?
No, cause y'all play around the night too much. No, you can't smell your hand. No, man.
It's some type of sauce.
But no. Enough to if you want sauce or not. Come on, Chuck. What are you busy, man? What? What? You gonna take it or not, man? Come on, what you doing, man? What you doing, man? This song a dub for me, guys. Man, she playing with it. You gonna take it or not?
A few inches later.
No. It's like an onion. Is that an onion?
No, I can't think about it.
Some type of sauce and like either onions or bell pepper. I ain't taking that.
Alright, look at it then. She messed the whole hat up.
I knew it was onion. Oh, if I would have had that, would have been. Oh, I would not have done that. I knew it was some type of sauce and onions. I knew it. Let me go.
Man, I want her to eat that thing, bro. Alright, guys, so it's her turn now. The score is 2-2. We have to think about it, so it's 2-2. Nobody's ever really needed. It's 2-2. Let's go. Let's go.
Turn around. Alright, guys, so since he went there, I'm finna go there.
Oh my god. I strike first.
Yep. Ready?
Yep. Turn around.
No, you cheated.
You ain't getting no luck. You would get nothing that's a lot.
Why wouldn't I? Yo, why are you pressing on it like that?
What is this?
You tell me.
Huh?
You tell me.
I'll take it.
You go what?
Yeah, I'll take it. No,
You already said you Eat that thing. Eat that thing.
Hell, what is this?
Eat that thing, baby. Come on.
I don't have to eat it.
You know if you don't want to. If you don't, I get a point.
Octopus?
If you don't eat it, I get a point.
Octopus?
I don't know shit. It said giant calamari. If you don't eat it, I get a point. Ow.
Hell nah. Ooh, it smells like your body.
No, not mine. Don't do me like that.
You want me to eat that?
That smell like dog food with a little tuna.
No pass.
You gonna pass on
No
that?
pass on that.
But okay, open it. Let's see what it look like inside. Ooh.
Hey, you want me to eat this? You're a crazy woman, man. I say I did. Alright, I say I did. Hey, you want me to eat that?
Ooh. Y'all look how it look inside.
Ah, you crazy, bro.
Ooh.
Oh, so we're doing that now.
What?
We're doing that now.
No, we're not doing that, boo.
Alright, go. Turn on. Madness.
Hey.
Madness. Craziness.
Okay. Come on. Give me your
What?
best shot.
Turn on.
I'm turning around.
You got joking what I mean that one, you know. Yo, badness. You say you want to come play with Batman?
Man, what is that?
Yo, turn on, man. Since you want to play with Batman.
Jesus Christ.
Look what you play now, no? Make sure the camera recording, because since you want to play with Batman.
Hurry it.
She want to come give me. That the one there.
Stop playing. Did you say you scared yourself? Babe, no, I know what you. Oh my God, I know what it is.
What it is?
I know what it is.
What it is?
Ooh.
Since you want to play with Batman.
They stop sweating.
Since you want to play with Batman. Alright, come now. Come on. I love it, babe. Come on. You ready?
No, I don't trust you. Y'all, what is it?
Hey, you gotta touch it, not the plate. Touch it, not the plate. Come on, let's go. Run it up. Lamborghini truck. Talking about.
Babe, I'm gonna fire myself.
She said she's finna fire herself. Since you wanna give me whatever that thing is.
Y'all stressing. Oh my god. You're not guessing the plate. You're guessing what's in the plate. You ain't even touching that one time yet. Why are you moving the plate for? What's wrong with you, bro? You moving the plate, bro. Come on now. She's trying to cheat, bro. Javaughn, what the fuck?
Whoa! Whoa!
Yo, I'm hot. I'm sweating. Oh gosh.
I'm sweating too. I'm pretty sure everybody's sweating. Bro, touch the bro, she ain't trying to touch the thing, bro. She over here.
Fuck.
Oh, she's trying to look. Hey, she started it. She's messing with the wrong one. Come on, yeah. Come on, let's go.
Ooh, what is that? It bit me. Ooh. No, I don't want it.
You didn't even touch it yet.
I didn't touch it.
No, you just
What I gotta do?
pick it up.
I'm not picking shit up.
Pick it up. No, not the plate. Pick up what's inside the plate.
Ooh, it's cold.
It says obviously not allowed, so what are you scared of?
This shit cold, that's a lie.
Huh? Oh my god, you guys.
Ooh. The fuck? I don't want it.
You ain't gonna pick it up?
No.
Yeah, why?
I'm scared.
What
What is it?
Alright, pick it up. Look, pick it up. Might let it work.
Come here. Javaughn. Why you do that?
She messing with the wrong one. Hello to my little friend.
Move that fucking.
What you doing?
Move.
Look what you doing. She gonna try the whole table, bro.
Get it. Stop playing with me.
Yo, she's gone. As you guys see, I told you, bro, the champ never lets down. Simple as that. Look what she's splitting. I wish I had caught all the recording part. The champ never let down.
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm sweating everywhere.
The champ never let down, bro. It's simple as that.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be good at this. Alright, it's my turn. Come on.
I told you, bro. It doesn't matter what you got in there.
There, on top of it.
You can't tap it. That's it. One little dead rat. That shit is hilarious. Come on, you think anything can top this, bro? Come on now.
Come on.
Whoa. What is that so be?
You want it or no?
Hell no, I don't want it. No, wait, hold on. I want it. I'll take it. What the hell is it? I'll take it. Yeah, give me my goddamn $10 or something, bro. What is this for? Put $10 on a tissue. W. That's it. She going downhill, guys. She in the champ. Come on now. I got you.
Cause I'm not gonna get a rat.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on now.
Your turn. Come on.
Come on now.
Come on.
Turn around. Turn around. Come on now. We're finna end this on a bang.
Y'all, he made me mad.
We're finna end this on a bang. We're finna end this on a bang. Come on, man. We're finna end this on a bang. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. We're finna end this on a bang. Come on, man. Don't stop playing with me, bro. Come on. Stop playing with me, bro. Huh?
I smell good.
Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Go look at that thing, man.
You ready?
I'm ready. Come look at that thing, bro.
Y'all, come on, man.
Bro, I does this. Who wanna challenge me? Who wanna challenge me?
Why is it heavy?
Who wanna challenge me? Come on, I does this. Come on.
Yeah, cause he be thinking gotta get him.
Come on, who gonna challenge me? I run this. Come on, man. Put both hands to that thing, bro. Put both hands to that thing, bro. No, what you scared of? She always trying to touch the plate. You ain't even touching the real thing yet.
This a plate?
Yeah, it's a plate.
Where you get a plate from?
Don't worry about it. It's something. Don't worry about it.
Why it's so heavy for me?
Man, touch the thing, bro.
I don't fucking trust you.
Oh my.
I do not trust you.
Come on, man. Touch it. You keep.
Ooh.
Put both hands in it and touch it.
But is he gonna bite me?
Huh? No, I ain't got nothing a lot, maybe. She ain't even touching the object yet. That's the crazy thing about it, guys. She's not touching the object. Not really. You gotta grab.
I wanna grab it.
You gotta. Just do. Alright, it's not alive. It's not alive. Don't smell your hand. It's not alive. It's not alive.
Is it a dead animal?
It's not a rat or anything. It's something that you can actually eat. I'm getting right too much here. I'm gonna shut up.
Fuck! No, I don't want it.
What it is? You know what?
Yep.
What it is?
Chicken feet. I don't want that shit. Ew. Oh God. Y'all, he went got the most ridiculous stuff ever.
I'm in it. I does this. Who wanna challenge me? I does this. Even though she ain't wanna touch you over here.
Y'all, I don't do that
Over
shit.
here. Oh wait, you go in the thing, bro.
The little Jurassic Park looking
What are you
things.
for?
Them Jurassic Park looking things. Alright, man, I'm scared.
What the-
Mine is light.
Bro, I does this, bro. Stop playing with me, bro.
Pick them things up.
She already claiming the ass.
Move! Stop, don't turn around.
Who winning right now? Me, right?
Shit, I
So
don't
you take it
know.
right, you don't take chicken, so I'm leaving. 4-3, I think. Guys, she can't top nothing she put in this box, so it really doesn't matter. I'm finna dive right into it. I'm going all in. I'm taking the W. I'm taking it. This is the baby food. That's baby food. Isn't it?
That's baby food.
I'm supposed to taste it now?
Eat it. No, you didn't taste it.
I did.
No, you didn't. You need something to eat it with? Yeah, get that thing. Whoa. That's nasty.
Does this. It does this. 5-3, 5-4? Come on.
Some shit. Y'all, he gonna be shitting.
Come on, I got the damn. Come on, turn around. It's my
Yeah.
last one, guys.
Who I want to do it?
Y'all already know I can't. We can't do a video without this in it, right? Come on now. Stop playing with it, bro. I does it, bro. Who want to challenge me? Come on, let's run it up. Come on, you can reach it.
Huh?
That thing tastes nasty, bro.
What is this?
I don't know. Touch it. No.
Stop, bro. Fucking hate you. This is the eggplant. Bro, he is annoying. I'll take it.
What you guys think? Comment down below. What you guys think? I got the W, bro. She ain't had no chance with me, bro. She ain't had no chance with me at all. And the crazy thing is, it was like 3 more stuff I could have got, but I didn't get it. You know what I'm saying? One of them was alive, but you know what I'm saying? I'm taking it light. If you want to go part 2, you can go part 2. You go crazy or not. Who want to challenge me? Who want to challenge me? Who want to challenge me? I'm up for anything, bro. Let's go, bro. What you talking about?
Leave me alone. Y'all, I'm sweating so hard. My wig finna come off. It's already
That
sliding
chicken feet
back.
got rat though.
Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm done with this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe in the comment section below. Team Shot Money in the comment section below.
Shot Money, you ain't done nothing. You like a team now. What you talking about?
Whatever, because I didn't know you was coming like that, but now I know you coming like that. That's alright. I'm gonna come with that heat next time.
I'm coming in every video. What you talking about?
Whatever.
What are you
So
talking
yeah guys,
about?
if y'all want more like this, make sure y'all comment in the comment section below. Like this video, share this video to all your social medias, and let them know we drop number bangers.
Yes, sir.
We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.